Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset or troubleshoot the Kwikset 92640-001 electronic lock. If your keypad stopped responding, the lock keeps flashing the red light, or it suddenly refuses to lock or unlock properly. So before resetting anything, you just have to simply press a few keypad buttons and then you need to watch the lock carefully. Now the behavior usually is going to tell you what is wrong with the lock. So if the keypad lights up blue but nothing moves, the lock has power but may be frozen electronically. If you see three red flashes and three beeps, it means that the lock usually failed calibration or the deadbolt is binding against the door frame. If the motor starts moving but stops halfway, it means the latch pressure is probably too tight. So before resetting the lock, you can try unlocking it with the door open first. Now you just have to simply perform a proper factory reset. So first of all, you need to go inside the part of the lock and then you need to simply remove the battery pack completely. Now inside it, you are going to see this type of program button over here. So you need to simply press the program button and you need to hold it for at least 30 seconds or until you hear a beep or until you see the status light flashing red. Then when you see that, you just have to simply release the button and press the program button once more. Now if the reset works correctly, you will see the beep hearing again and you will also see the green light flashing on the lock. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.